few weeks ago in the STEM lab, we made dog houses. Me and my team built one. We tested it if it flooded. Our dog got a little bit wet. We had to think a bunch about what to do and see how we could get the doghouse and the dog to stay dry. They would have tape with little pieces of wood. They would put their dog in there and shut it. It's like a little door. Some people thought maybe of making like a raft. We built like a ramp that went up into a doghouse, and we put a cup as the center of it so our dog wouldn't get wet. Nobody got a lot of wet dogs. Some people, they would go to other people's, they would look, and when somebody had it, or they were finished, everybody would run over, walk over there and go, and just look at it, see if it flooded. Miss Amber touched it. Nobody got flooded completely.